Hello and welcome to another episode of Trending Chats. Actionable insights at your fingertips. Today we're joined by Alexia Bayyouk, Solution Specialist at SAP, to talk about the importance of a clean and strong core.
Thanks, AI Molly. So today we won't be talking about my gut health or how to strengthen your abdomen. What we will be talking about is your business technology and the importance of keeping it clean. Think about your business technology as an apple. At its core, you have your ERP, and around the edges, you have technology to support it. It's really important to keep that core clean because it means having no customizations in there, which hold you back from being able to get access to latest innovations and also the agility and flexibility that comes with having a fit to standard core. So in a traditional ERP system, you may have all of your customizations in the inside of your core, but what you really want to do is keep them on the outside as we move into a cloud mindset, because it allows you to be able to have access to things like lower maintenance costs and even lower upgrade costs so that you're not carrying around legacy customizations with you. So how can you do this? Well, you can leverage tools and technologies like SAP's Business Technology Platform to support by creating, extending, and growing your business outside of your core. When it comes to creating, you can use things like low-code, no-code, and automation tools to create things like landing pages, workflows, and even mobile apps. This can really help to improve your business process, but outside of the core. You can also use tools to help you extend your business, whether it's integration tools or extension tools. They can really help you connect to your own SAP systems or even SAP to non-SAP like third-party tools. The third thing you can do is grow your business. Growing your business with AI can help you to boost productivity and to help improve and reduce manual error and repetitive tasks that might be burdening your business. So you might be wondering, how could you get started? Well, the first thing you want to do is check your landscape. What are you currently using and what is legacy? What you want to do is understand what is legacy so that you don't have to carry that forward in future systems. This will help you to reduce upgrade costs and maintenance costs, but really understanding what you're currently using is the first step, and that's key. The second thing you want to do is focus on getting sponsorship. It's really hard to make change with just one voice. What you really want to do is get that sponsorship to help carry the conversation across your business to get the conversation started. The third thing you can do is map your current customizations to tools and technologies like SAP's BTP platform that'll help you to create those customizations outside of the core. So remember, it's really important to keep clean core at the forefront of your business strategy. It'll help you to get access to the latest technologies, and it'll really give you the flexibility and the agility that your business needs to scale and grow over time. If you have any questions, click the link below.
Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious, stay informed, and see you on the next episode of Trending Chats.